friends. Okay, so today we have the Studio Calico Christmas kit. It should be available in the store soon, if not already. By the time I show this video, I'm pretty sure it will be available. So let's see what we have. I briefly went through the box, so now I really get to take a look at everything. All right, so let's go through the pieces one by one. All right, so let's start with the washi tape. We have pretty little houses on a green background, a little housescape. Let's see if I can get this open. All right, so as I was saying, it's a little housescape. All right, so for the washi, here is the little housescape. The green is on a dark green background, like a dark Kelly green almost, though it may look dark in the picture. That's pretty and fun, especially across the bottom of the page. And then, looks like we have little snowflakes, little snowflake confetti maybe. Oh, that's fun. Little punched paper snowflakes. Comes in this little bag. And then we have little plastic hearts. Well, all shapes and sizes. I can't just say little. We have some patterns in there too. They had some similar hearts like this maybe a year ago. I love having hearts. I love layering them, bending them, like almost butterflying them. I like the big green one. Okay. Next we have the stamp. Merry Christmas, do not open until December 25th. We got a little layered car right there. You got to put the tree on. You can put the tree a different color. This is another piece of the car. Or is that a different car? No, that's the same car. So these will be great for layering. A little gift tag you can design with the stamps. We got some gold foil labels. Some circle notebook labels with the black outline, or note lined paper circles with the black outline. Chipboard stickers. I think the little shaker, what do you call these? Snow globe shaker, that's my favorite. Okay. And then we have some gold alpha stickers or gold letter stickers. Okay. So let's go over the papers. So the papers are going to be double-sided. I did kind of flip through them before, but I'll go through them one by one now. I like that you have a generic 2x2. I think these are 2x2 cut aparts. I like on the background, it's like a generic pattern that can be good for many things. You have some 4x6 cards. You just cut down the line, or you can keep it as a page. More 4x6 cards. Just cut right there. So these are the bookmark style. You just cut down the middle, or once again, you can leave it whole, use the back, whatever works easiest for you. There's no right or wrong way. Oh, look at the Merry & Bright right here. That's pretty. There's no right or wrong way to memory keep or scrapbook. Just remember that. So these are 3x4 cards. You can cut it in half and down the middle, or if you prefer to leave it whole. More 3x4 cards. So plenty of 3x4 cards. Oh, I love this little almost advent calendar page on the back. That's pretty. More 3x4 cards. Naughty nice list. More 3x4 cards. A little notebook paper on the back. A little star pattern. A Christmas ornament page. Of course, you can't have a Christmas kit without your Christmas ornaments. This will be fun to fussy cut, but it will also be nice to leave it whole. That's the only thing about when you get single papers. You have decisions to make. This is really pretty. I love black pattern paper, especially like florals. The black is great for pop to when you're making a bigger project. You can use the black to pop off of white or other colors. And I love black in the Christmas kit. Red, traditional red and white paper. Oh, look at this one on the back. So if there's an option to buy an extra paper kit, that wouldn't be a bad idea. That way you wouldn't have to choose which side of the paper you want to use. You'll have doubles. All right. So looks like we have the whole Studio Calico kit. Thank you so much, y'all, for checking the Studio Calico kits out with me today. I can't wait to use it. I just thought about stamping the stickers on the labels. Somehow that's something I always forget is an option. But thank you so much for checking out the Studio Calico kits with me today. I'm really excited to get creating and see what I can come up with. I'm excited to see what you come up with. Feel free to tag me on Instagram just so I could give you take a look at your project. My Instagram handle is @DarlingDesiStudio. I am looking to get my Facebook page up and running. If I have it up and running by the time I load this video, I will put it in the box below. I will link this kit in the Studio Calico shop. Thank you so much for checking out this kit along with me today. And I wish you a crafty holiday season. So I realized I forgot to share the Christmas add-on stamps. So here we have this banner style stamp. It's really fun. Different colors. I think that'd be pretty for your different spreads or projects. We have this one where you use the little Instax frame or frame, whatever you want to call it, and you can fill it in with whichever little picture, the lights, the trees, the snowflakes, then add your words. So it's a layering stamp. Layer is really fun because it's a great way to add a little more depth to your project because you can use different colors when you layer on the stamp. Then we have this one, which is a ticket stamp, which is also good for layering. You can add your different colors, add your title. You can use the dot pattern inside the tickets, layering your words, your Christmas tree, your snowflakes. That's really fun. Okay. So once again, I will link everything in the comments, and I'm wishing you a happy holiday season because it seems like we're already deep into the season. Have a great day.